We're going to use a 5mm crochet hook. We're going to start with a slip knot. We're going to practice the half double crochet by making a dishcloth. I'm going to use 100% mercerized cotton because it makes it easy to learn to crochet with. We're going to chain 34. In the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. For half double crochets, because they're taller than a single crochet, you need an extra chain so that your rows are straight. So we will chain 2 at the beginning of each row. So now we will skip 2. For a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. So it's very similar to a single crochet. The only thing different is you yarn over before you put your hook into your stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. That's your half double crochet. When you put your stitch marker in, make sure that you're not doing the first 2 chains. You can look at them and see which one doesn't have a stitch in it. You get to the end of the row, chain 2. I'm going to bring my tail up and crochet it in. Turn your work. Half double crochet all the way across. Put your stitch marker in. keep going back and forth. Do your rows until your width and your height is the same, so you can make a perfect square. That'll give you a lot of opportunities to practice the half double crochet. Okay, we're going to stop right there. Go into that same stitch, that last stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then pull through the loop all the way. Lock it in. I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through, make a knot. Sew in, or weave in your ends. If your ends meet when you fold it, then you know you've got it straight. That is the goal, is to have it straight.